At Data.ai, we help you identify and prioritize high-value partnerships. You lead the licensing team at an entertainment company that owns IP rights to a blockbuster movie series. Your job is to monetize this IP with a gaming publisher that specializes in a genre appealing to your fan base. Using Game IQ within market size, identify the gaming genre with the highest growth. Here, we see 4X March Battle is a top revenue-generating genre. Next, use the Top Apps module to identify the leading games and publishers driving growth. For example, State of Survival, The Joker by Kings Group, has the highest revenue. Finally, use the Publisher module to understand the performance of the entire portfolio and repeat this process with other publishers to identify your ideal partner. With Data.ai, quickly identify and prioritize the right partnerships to maximize the value of your IP.